Hey guys, sorry I've been away from YouTube for a while. We've just been finalizing the new release of our program, ALM 2.0, which is the Apartment Locating Masterclass 2.0. It's been like 3 years in the making, really. 1.0 was great. That's where we built all of our testimonials, the hundreds of students that have gone through 1.0 and completely changed their lives and hit 6 figures in real estate with apartment locating, which is an all new niche. Isn't that cool? That's the whole thing with locating, is that a lot of people don't really full-time focus on this niche. Therefore, it becomes a really awesome unsaturated opportunity for you guys to earn 6 figures with your real estate license, right? So tons of success stories and all of our testimonials built primarily with 1.0, but 2.0 is great. We've given like 4 students beta access and early access, and they're completely loving it. It's hard to get feedback out of them because they say it's so comprehensive. Anyhow, though, we're about to finalize that. I think we're like 2 weeks away. So just hang in there, and all of my paid students originally who invested currently, right, you get the update for free, because we are going to sell high ticket, and we're going to provide much more support, like weekly Zoom calls. You can jump on with my team if you ever get stuck as you're going through the core content of the course. And then we're going to do cool things like make sure that everyone has a MacBook laptop, because that's what you need now in late 2023 going into 24 with apartment locating. You need an iPhone and a laptop because of some of the free settings and features on there. Also, most people use iPhone. I still think it's over 50% like iOS, and then like what, 48, 49 Android. So like still more people use iPhone, but the main thing is because of the settings, right? The text replacements, etc., how it can link up to your laptop, and how you can add a business line on your iPhone and then switch on and off with the same iPhone, whether it's business or personal, right? So it's essential to use a MacBook laptop and have an iPhone. So we set up all of our students inside of ALM 2.0, the new students. We're going to give them a laptop. If they're not licensed yet, because you do need a real estate license to work as an apartment locator, then we'll pay for the pre-licensing. So we're gonna do a lot of really cool and special things that really help people succeed and guarantee their success, right? That's why it's gonna be a high ticket, high 4-figure investment on this upcoming program. So if you are interested in that, guys, reach out to my team. The link is below this video. You can at least start a conversation with them after booking a Zoom call, and at the very least kind of take away from us what we're doing differently inside of the apartment locator industry. Okay, so with that being said, guys, in this video we're gonna really quickly talk about some quick paid ads advice. I know a lot of our students, a lot of the feedback was kind of adding on to the paid ads module that everyone enjoyed so much in 1.0, right? So in this new program, we're gonna have a lot more tutorials and a lot more advertising tactics when it comes to paid ads and new platforms like Nextdoor, right? That's gonna blow everyone's mind. But let's really quickly talk about paid ads, because this is what people need to understand, right? When you're marketing organically as an apartment locator, okay, you're probably marketing deals on behalf of properties that you come across that are good deals, right? You might search on your database and find an abnormally lower market rent for said apartment, and those make great ads because they're just good pricing, and people are familiar with the market rents in the area that they're looking for. So let's say you're a renter, okay? Let's say you want to live downtown in whatever city, okay? Like downtown Nashville, okay? You're looking around even before communicating with a locator, so you know sort of what the 1 bedrooms, the 2 bedrooms go for, you know, for class B, class A properties, sort of already, okay? And so if you can market a deal in downtown Nashville that's abnormally low market rent for how new or how nice it is, we get this done by manipulating our database the way we teach our students, so that way you can really see what's an abnormally lower market rent, right? If you market those, people that are interested in that area, they will see like, oh wow, that's a low price for if it's really downtown, and then they hit you up, right? And they become a lead, they go through your sales funnel, and they book a call with you, and you close them in 10 minutes or less. All right, so that's sort of the nature of how that goes if you're marketing organically, okay? You're posting ads on behalf of apartment communities that are abnormally low deals or with big concessions, right? Like a month free, 2 months free. Those deals really become great ads to post organically, right? Whether it's Marketplace, Craigslist, all the other platforms we teach, etc. Or if you're a student of ours, you're auto posting on those platforms. Okay, that's the main thing with organic marketing. If you're in our program, is setting up an auto poster to do it for you automatically. So that's just sort of how it goes with organic marketing. But with paid ads, what's cool is that, you know, you can start advertising in a new way, and not just necessarily on behalf of good apartment deals that you're finding, right? With paid ads, it allows us the ability to put together like a state-of-the-art ad creative that talks about you and your company and your service and why it makes sense to work with an apartment locator. So we call these service-based ads, not on behalf of apartment deals that we find, right? And they're actually really, really powerful, because with paid ads, it's known that if you have a really solid ad creative and it's grade A and it's produced well, you don't even have to talk about apartment deals that you market on behalf of anymore. You can just talk about how you're an apartment locator and that the service is free and that your database is proprietary and gives even more features than popular websites like apartments.com or PadMapper or Apartment List, right? And so when you talk about this, these are called service-based ads. It really allows you to capture leads in a sort of a different and I would say superior way, because they already know the deal because they see the advertisement, and then now, you know, they're going through your sales funnel, they're going to get further educated, and really these leads just absolutely already know that they're going to work with the locator. They become easier to work with, and I like those kind of ads better. So whenever I run paid ads, I like to run service-based ads and just talk about myself and not necessarily a particular apartment. Okay, so those are the kind of categories that you can run. You can do service-based ads with paid ads, those work well. You can do apartment deals with paid ads just on behalf of an apartment, those work really, really well. And then what's really cool is that you can run like a lead magnet ad as well, and you can do this, I suppose, for organic as well. It just doesn't work as well, because the thing is, even though technically you can go to platforms and talk about your service and offer them like a lead magnet, with organic platforms, you're not necessarily so much in their face of your leads with an ad creative. So even though lead magnets are always very powerful and you should add them on your website like per standard by default, they just don't really work as well. Like service-based ads and lead magnets don't really work super well with organic platforms, right? But with paid ads, they do, because you can target your target audience of people that are looking to rent in the near future, and you can give them something in exchange to kind of enhance their apartment search, as long as they, you know, click the link below and book a call with you. So you can say you can use that tactic as well, and that's the third one that I really like to use, is a lead magnet. So you can tell people like, hey, if you're looking to move into downtown Nashville, wouldn't it make sense to know, you know, sort of the average downtown Nashville utility costs when it comes to water, electricity? Wouldn't it be great to know all of the greenbelt sites that you can visit? I don't know, that one works well in Austin. There's a lot of greenbelt in Austin, right? Like Zilker, Barton Hills, etc., right? And then you can say something like, wouldn't you want to know all of the top restaurants in downtown if you're ever trying to try the local cuisine, right? You can basically give someone everything they would want to know about their area, like restaurants, sites to visit, information about the average utilities. I like to put all of these things in the lead magnet, and I make an ebook that's presented in a fun way that's edited. Okay, we get that done by just hiring someone on Fiverr for like $10, and then they put together the lead magnet that you create by using ChatGPT, right? So it's less work, and then we just pay $10 to clean it up, make it an awesome lead magnet, make sure it's plagiarism free, and then we present that to someone in their apartment search, and that works really well, because now when you're doing a paid ads creative, you can say something like, hey, look, we're an apartment locator, we're ABC Realty, right? We specialize in helping you find the best apartment ever. Our service is free this month, actually, and we will just build the apartment that you choose. It's all the same no matter where you go. So work with us, because our database is proprietary, and it offers us even more accurate data and filters that are even more in-depth, that are even more detailed than popular websites that you're used to, right? And so if you click the link below and work with our team, we're actually going to offer you everything you're going to want to know about downtown Nashville, right? The average utilities, this will blow your mind, all of the best restaurants ever, top rated, and then sites to visit for entertainment, right? So if you are interested in downtown Nashville, click the link below, book a call with our team. We're going to help you for free this month, and we'll hook you up with this awesome guide, so that way you can become the best renter and make the most informed decision when renting your next apartment. Click the link below and get in contact with our team this month while it's free, right? I would just do an ad like that, and then you get to give them the lead magnet. market, right? So those work really well. Lead magnet ads, service-based ads, and then on behalf of like a good apartment deal, those work very well, right? So if you are going to try those ads, if you're running paid ads, what I would highly encourage you to do is separate them by ad set. Does that make sense? So like maybe with paid ads, you always have campaign level organization, and then inside your campaign, you have ad sets, okay? Or ad groups. And then inside the ad sets, you have ads, the actual ad. So what I would do is I would do your main campaign, right? It's just organizational purposes. If you ever ran Facebook paid ads or Instagram paid ads, right? You do one campaign, you say, hey, downtown Nashville is this main campaign, okay? And inside of that campaign that you know it's downtown Nashville, let's say you work there, you're a locator there at Mark. Great. It's not just Texas and Florida, actually, right? Nashville is a great market. So is like Ohio, so is Chicago. Chicago is easier to get licensed in. It's not just Texas and Florida like what everyone thinks, right? We have students in Atlanta. We have a student out in the U.S. Virgin Islands. Isn't that crazy that he's making locating work? But anyway, so you want to do a campaign of your location, okay? And then you want to do an ad set, 3 ad sets, like service-based ads is one ad set, okay? And then you'll have lead magnet ads or another ad set. And then you'll have apartment deals as another ad set. And then you just fill out, you just make ads based off of what the goal is in the ad set. Does that make sense? So that's how I would separate things. That way, you know clearly, you can see data. Okay, these lead magnet ads are working better. Okay, these service-based ads are okay. And then these apartment deals are not really the best ad set. So then you can make data-driven decisions that way. So paid ads is not just about targeting and clicking all the right filters. That's not really that hard. It is also about organizing things in your campaign and your ad sets and on the ad level, right? So if you guys are kind of confused, it's really not that difficult, especially if we can kind of explain this to you, teach you the lessons, and give you visuals, right? And then imagine if you had someone to reach out to as you were setting all this stuff up, right? Wouldn't that be great? What if you could reach out to my team while you're setting up your campaigns so we can review them? Wouldn't that be awesome? So that's what our program is all about. So if you guys are interested and you found this video helpful, please click the link below. You can book a call with my team and see if we could be a good fit and add value in your current real estate career, no matter what your situation is. Okay, so click the link below, reach out to my team, and I hope this video was helpful, guys. I'm gonna get back to work on releasing the ALM 2.0 program because all of our students are bugging us now and we're late. So I'm gonna get back to work on that. Click the link below if you're interested in chatting with us, and we will see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much.